Okay, get some more work done by myself now, except for the dog. He's back. He left. All right. Luke had to go to work, so it's now me again. All right, so what we got here is we're gonna hook up our throttle cables. So these are just push in here, push in style, just 96 and up. And we gotta put the little pieces here on the end of them here. Little ferrule pieces or eyelets or whatever you wanna call them, stupid things. I call them barrels. They gotta go inside of here, and the cable wraps around it. And then you bolt the two covers together with these screws right here, which are Torx head. And that's what bolts these covers together. So, doesn't a lot of room in there because everything's pretty tight, but we'll make it work. Okay, so I need the correct wrenches down there. First thing I do is get your tools out. So I got my new Torx tools here. Let's find the one that fits it. Looks like it's that one right there. Whatever size that is, that's what it's going to be. Hey, quit eating on that. Hey, get out of your mouth. Damn dog. Stupid dog. He's eating old, nasty paper towels from this ultrasonic cleaner. Oh well. Hey, I gotta fix that problem. Come here. Hey, come here. Come here. Where you going? No. Problem solved. Banished from the room. Okay, so I get up here and work on this problem. So first thing I do is make it work. That ought to be fun. First thing I do is get the cables figured out which one's which. So, not that one. That's throttle, I can hear it. So this one goes here in the front. And should just pop right in there. Of course it's not. Take my duckbill pliers right here and push on it with that. See if that makes it work better. There we go. One in. Turn side. That thing's been all twisted up. Really mutilated that one. Damn, I need to number that cable. Let's see if we can't fix it before we destroy it. Take some of the heavy twisting out of it. It really weakens it too when you do all that. Alright, a little bit straighter. We got half the pigtail out of it. Gotta get enough out to go up the hole here. We took that out last time, did a number to it. Well, that one just fell in like it's supposed to. Figures. Oh, it got dirty already. Alright, now for the fun part. Yeah, choking on something. I get to fish all this stuff in there and make it work. This ought to be interesting, I'm sure. See, now you can't see a damn thing. That'll be real interesting. Okay, so first thing I do is make a little platform over here for the small tools, so I don't lose any parts. The closer we can get to them. Okay. I get to go up here and fish this stuff out. First thing we need is a fishing tool. This would be a fishing tool. Same flat bill pliers again. Okay, there's one. Take your little ferrule piece there, or barrel, or whatever you want to call it. Cable end. It has a small hole and a big hole. assembled. Take your throttle tube and insert into hole A. Preferably not losing what you just did. That'd be the fun part. It might be easier just to take this whole damn thing apart, but we're going to avoid doing that because that sounds like work. Probably the cables got all beat up already. First thing you're going to do is get the barrel to start in the hole, then you rotate it 90 degrees and slide it in. Which of course it does not want to do because it won't rotate 90 degrees for some reason. And it's dark, so I can't see a damn thing, which makes it even more interesting to do. So once the barrel goes in a hole, it will not rotate. Wonderful. Alright, we are having zero luck at doing this. Okay. So I can spend all night working on this, trying to make this work, or take the damn thing apart. Because it ain't coming apart that way. Alright. That's why those cables are all beat up. There's no room up in here to do a damn thing. And this sleeve is so stinking hard to put anything into it, probably because it's all screwed up. You can't put the barrel in it and rotate it. Damn throat. Yeah, as soon as I do anything, I bet that barrel's just going to fall right off that thing, but I can't get access to it. See, it's buried in there, we can't get to it. There's a bunch of cables in here, don't know what they're doing. I'm going to go ahead and take off the master cylinder right there, and hopefully everything else will cooperate and drop down and not fight me. But being a road turd, it's going to fight me. Pretty well guarantee that. Late model crap. Let's skip a 2 up and try that one. That ain't the one. Back down one. Okay, that'll work. Okay. Try going halfway off, but you might as well just take the whole thing off, because you know it's going to fight you if you don't. So just take the whole thing apart, save time, frustration. Yeah. I'm already frustrated. Alright, that falls out of the way. Alright, so's that. Now, told you the barrel's going to fall out. Problem is you don't have enough link to pull over all the way. Oh, there's a whole bunch of stupid buttons on this thing. No wonder it doesn't work. So I still got the same problem, except it looks like I can clamshell on the top, so that means I can fix the problem. Good, I like that. That means I can work on that here. When I'm all done, slip it over. Which makes it a lot easier. Okay, we are going to hold this throttle, which will not work, but here's put in a hole and rotate it. There you go. We're halfway there. I think that was the easy one. See the cable's in there now? The other one's next to it. I can do the same thing on the other one. The only problem is you don't have room to do it all. We don't have enough free play in the cable to make it easy on us. So we're going to try it and see if we can make it work. I foresee a lot of issues here, a lot of frustration, and more blood out of my thumb. Because every time it starts to heal, I rip it open by working on something. Yeah, it looks like this might actually work. Okay, insert in the hole, rotate hole. Look how easy that was. It fell in there. It's almost like it was made for it. So now you got to force the throttle up in the right spot. Just like that. Put the cap over it, but not right. Oh, that still isn't going to work. This will clamshell over, but this won't go over it. See, that was bad planning. I told you it wasn't going to work. It still doesn't work. I still got to fight this all differently. So much for being easy. Ah! Cable's broken. Throttle cable's broken on this bike. Just trying to draw blood out of my fingers. Oh yeah, that's got some broken throttle cable pieces there. Nice. As soon as you let go of that, it's going to fall off. I know that for a fact that that's going to happen. You hear that? That is the tall piece falling off. Told you it was going to fall off. So it still has to go up here. So I'll have to fight this damn thing to get it up in there. Show that over. Okay, got half of it in there. I gotta go find the piece that dropped on the table over here somewhere. It's skating along the table, which means it went to the floor on the other side, I'm sure. Because it was hauling ass going across that table. Alright. Let's see if we can find that damn thing. I heard going across the table here. Yep, not anywhere to be found. Not on the floor. And we need it. We have to find it. Alright, time for fun hunting for stuff. See, just because it's hard to put together does not mean it falls apart very easily, which is exactly what happened. All right, we'll be back.